Let's make pork chops. Salt, both sides. Black pepper, both sides. High heat. Put some oil. Put on the pan. When you see the juices coming off of the meat, time to flip. When you get to this color, let's put medium heat. Now we're going to add the garlic powder and onion powder. So I didn't want to put garlic and onion powder in the beginning, otherwise I would burn the whole thing. Now let's remove from the pan, put in a plate. This is how you do the lemon rice. Cook your white rice the way you would. Put it in a bowl. Add some olive oil, add some cilantro, squeeze a lime, mix it, done. Let's add the Chipotle lime rice. For the final touch, what is this? Worcestershire sauce. Yeah.